Hello, my prayer Bible friends. Welcome back to another video. In this video, we're continuing my prayer Bible series where I'm making a prayer Bible for my friend. If you're new around here, my name is Brandi Reed and I'm with 3 Nail Faith, where I create digital planners, digital stickers, digital devotionals, prayer Bibles, and prayer Bible supplies. So what are you going to need for a prayer Bible? You'll need a Bible, you'll need some tabs, you'll need some highlighters, you'll need some scripture topics and scriptures. If you're interested in some from me, I have 20 topics with 10 scriptures included in the free version of my Prayer Bible series. And then I also have an additional 20 topics with 10 scriptures in it in the enhanced package. Also, it has the tab guide and all kinds of things that you can use to decorate your prayer Bible and make it more personalized to you. I'll leave both links in the description for you, along with all the supplies that I've used in this video today. The enhanced packet is on sale for $9 right now, so you might want to grab it while you can. Okay, so let's get started. As within all the other videos, I have already got them sectioned out for us so we can easily get through this. If you buy this particular set of tabs, I just stacked up 5 of these on top of each other and cut them in half so that they were smaller and fit in nicely in this little box. Okay, so let's go ahead and get started with protection. Our very first one is Joshua 1:9. Have I not commanded you? Be strong and courageous. Do not be afraid. Do not be discouraged, for the Lord your God will be with you wherever you go. And I'm going to get my tab, and I always tab on the side that the scripture is. Make sure I get just one. And I use my tab guide and line it up with the edge of the page. And just drop down my tab on top of it. And that is how we're going to do this. Our next one is Psalm 18, verse 2. The Lord is my rock, my fortress, and my deliverer. My God is my rock in whom I take refuge, my shield and the horn of my salvation, my stronghold. And again, I just highlight the verse and then add the tab. Okay, our next verse is Psalm 32, verse 7. You are my hiding place. You will protect me from trouble and surround me with the songs of deliverance. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and tab that one. All right, our next one is Psalm 34:7, which is also on this page. The angel of the Lord encamps around those who fear him, and he delivers them. I am going to go ahead and flag this side too, even though it's flagged on the other side, just because it just helps find them a little bit easier. Okay, our next one is Psalm 91, verses 1 through 2. Whoever dwells in the shelter of the Most High will rest in the shadow of the Almighty. I will say to the Lord, He is my refuge and my fortress, my God in whom I trust. Okay. I'm going to go ahead and tab that one. Our next one is also on this page. It's 91, verse 15. He will call on me and I will answer him. I will be with him in trouble. I will deliver him and honor him. Okay, I'm not going to tab that one because, again, it's on that same page. Our next one's Proverbs 2, verse 8. For he guards the course of the just and protects the way of his faithful ones. trying to get picking up 2 of them. Okay. Line it up. Isaiah 43, verse 2. When you pass through the waters, I will be with you. And when you pass through the rivers, they will not sweep over you. When you walk through the fire, you will not be burned. The flames will not set you ablaze. Okay. Yeah, I thought I was picking up 2 on that one again. Okay, the next one is Romans 8:28. And we know that in all things God works for the good of those who love him, who have been called according to his purpose. Okay, and then our last one is Hebrews 13, verse 6. So we say with confidence, the Lord is my helper. I will not be afraid. What can mere mortals do to me? That's our last one. So if you liked this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss a single video. Our next one will be on strength. Look how that's coming together. It looks so pretty. Our next one will be on strength. So you don't want to miss that one. So make sure you're subscribed to the channel. Have a wonderfully blessed day. Bye-bye.